choices. Since the day that I was born, there were voices that told me right from wrong. If I had listened, no, I wouldn't be here today, living and dying with the choices I've made.
Try your best, but you don't succeed. When you get what you want, but not what you need. When you feel so tired, but you can't sleep. Stuck in reverse. And the tears come streaming down your face. When you lose something you can't replace. When you love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
Walton West Transitional Living Center use it as a tool for healing.
Shoot, I'm gonna sing a little something for y'all. I'm gonna sing whatever they have on the karaoke machine. I'm gonna rip it up.
Bryan Hensley suffered a brain injury after a car accident and says he's a walking miracle.
I mean, I was as bad off as it gets. And, you can ask anybody at Walton. They told my family I was the worst brain injury patient they'd seen go through there.
Today there's no reason to wait. Jesus is calling. Bring your sorrows.
Bryan Hensley is a motivational speaker committed to making a difference in the lives of teenagers and young adults.
And it's his passion to keep them living their lives by sharing his story. Bryan is described as a selfless man who has overcome very hard challenges as a result of a brain injury. He goes into schools and churches to talk with teenagers about his experience, an experience that started with a night of partying and poor choices that nearly took his life.
Look at this. This right here is a miracle. I met this boy a long time ago. 13 years ago. I told him he's going to do it. Look at him. It's a miracle. Amen, brother. God's good all the time. All the time, God is good. Man, you were doing great, dude.
Hey, Pop, is that your dog? Huh? Yeah. Yeah? Charles Brown. Say you Pop's dog. Excuse me. Say your ABCs for me.
B, C, D, E, F.
Come on, man. A, B, C, D, E, F. Keep going.
That's all I can do.
He got old now and he realizes it. He realizes it. I'm glad. I'm glad he's remembering. Well, Pop, look at the camera and say something funny.
I don't know anything funny
You-
except you.
You look funny. Yeah, said I'm funny.
Yeah.
Say, Pop, you look funny.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You're pretty funny to me, Pop.
Okay.
Okay. Look at me. I love you, Pop.
I love you too, Ronnie.
Okay, we're up and out, man.
Okay. Living and dying with the choices I